In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the workspace icon in Slack. Changing your workspace icon can make your communication hub feel more personalized and aligned with your team's spirit, whether you're part of a corporate office or a community group. Let's walk through this simple and straightforward process together. First, let's navigate to the Slack app on your desktop. While this process can be done on a mobile device, using the desktop app or a web browser can make it a bit easier to ensure everything is set up just the way you want it. Once you're in the app, look to the left-hand side where you'll find the name of your workspace at the top of the channel list. Click on the workspace name, which opens a drop-down menu. In this menu, head towards Settings and Administration. Hover over it, and you'll notice another drop-down appears. From here, click on Workspace Settings. This action will direct you to a new page in your default web browser, specifically the settings page for your workspace. Once on the settings page, scroll down a bit and you'll find the section labeled Workspace Icon. Here you'll see the current icon and next to it an Edit button. Click this button to begin the change. You are now given the option to upload a new image. Choose an image file that reflects your workspace aptly. Keep in mind, the image should be a square file for best results, with a recommended size of 500 by 512 pixels to maintain clarity. Once your image is ready, simply click Upload Image. After you select and upload your image, give Slack a moment to process it. You'll get a preview of how the new icon looks. If it seems off-center, just re-upload another version that's adjusted or choose a different image altogether. Once satisfied with the new icon, scroll down to the bottom of the page and press the Save Changes button. This action finalizes your choice, and your workspace will now display the updated icon across all team members' views. This personalized visual touch can help your team identify the workspace at a glance, especially if they juggle multiple Slack workspaces. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your workspace icon in Slack. Customizing your workspace icon is a quick and easy way to inject some personality into your team's communications. If you have any other questions or need further guidance regarding Slack or other platforms, feel free to drop them in the comments and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.